Dear all, welcome back to the series of the video lectures on the power quality. We will discuss today the voltage flicker. A power line flicker is a visible change in brightness of a lamp due to rapid fluctuation in the voltage of the power supply. Is known as the voltage flicker. So basically voltage flicker is nothing but abrupt change in the voltage level, and that leads to the visible change in the brightness of a lamp due to the rapid fluctuation in the voltage of a power supply. So voltage drop is generated over the source impedance of the grid by changing the load current of an equipment or the facility. And Z is equal to V upon I. So due to the change in the current, the impedance gets changed, so the voltage. So these fluctuations in time generate the flicker. Flicker may also affect sensitive electronic equipment such as television, receivers or industrial processes relying on constant electrical power. So what are the sources basically for the flicker? Intermittent load, motor starting, large motor starting basically, arc furnaces. So what are the effects? Light flicker gives irradiation, then headache, nervousness, then filament of the lamp can get damaged, reduction in the life of the electrical equipment. And the definition is, it is the visible change in brightness of a lamp due to rapid fluctuation in voltage of the power supply. So what are the mitigation devices used? Are series capacitors, then SVC and STATCOM. So let us see the sources. Flicker may be produced, for example, if a steel mill uses large electric motors or the arc furnaces on a distribution network. Or the frequent starting of an elevator motor in an office building, or if a rural residence has a large water pump starting regularly on a long feeder system. The likelihood of the flicker increases as the size of the changing load becomes larger with respect to the prospective short circuit current available at the point of common connection and the intermittent load as we discussed. Okay, so these are the certain sources for the flicker. So like in industrial loads like arc furnace, welding machines, electrical boilers, capacitor banks, electrical appliances supplied from the low voltage network, wind turbine generation system sources. So these are the certain industrial loads basically who are responsible for the voltage flicker. Okay, so we shall discuss now the voltage flicker phenomenon and their sources in a detail, starting with the arc furnace, welding machines, electric boilers, capacitor bank. Okay, and we shall then discuss about the mitigation techniques used to mitigate the voltage flicker. So we'll discuss these points later on in the next lecture. Okay, thank you.